People say what you do in your childhood is what you become in future. So Uganda's got an aeroplane manufacturer. In 2030, Uganda will have millions of aeroplanes. In just 1 minute, I've manufactured 3. Now, this one has already tested and flying. Now ready to go on road.
Jesus is Lord. You know you can be prosecuted for that.
Hello, Naaka, what's up?
Look, I've got some ice cream and I wanted to share with you.
Oh, sorry, Naaka, I'm fasting.
Look, are you serious or it's a joke?
Ah, very serious.
Wait, you mean after failing fasting Ramadan, now you are paying?
No way, please. I'm fasting Sitat.
Then after Sitat, you'll pay the missed days.
Maybe.
Then you created your own religion. Because in Islam, you can't fast Sitat without fulfilling Ramadan.
Oh, please. The bad thing, you don't understand Islam well. For your own information, if you fast 6 days of Sitat, you get rewards for a full year. Yet for Ramadan, God rewards you for only 30 days. So, for me, I eat during Ramadan and I fast these 6 days of Sitat.
It's like you're telling me that you can enter heaven before dying. Or it's like you want to withdraw money from Stanbic Bank where you never opened an account. See, in life, there is no bypass to success. You have to undergo in each and every step. The rewards you want from 6 days are only given to those who have completed Ramadan. Ramadan paves way to 6 days of Sitat so that you get a full package of rewards and blessings from God. Wow. So, Mr. Nanana, the way I saw you eating Rolex in Saum, I thought you had enough rewards at your little age.
First of all, we can fast so that God can forgive us all our sins we have committed. So at my little age now, which sins have I committed really? Unless I'm paying for my elders' sins now, of which I'm not ready. Nak,
What?
Jesus is Lord. You know you can be prosecuted for that. I never expected it.
Luta, what happened?
Nak, let me wait for next Ramadan.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe on our YouTube channel.